Hey, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Phantom Wallet app for enhanced security. First, open the Phantom app and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the J icon in the top right corner to access settings. Within settings, select Security and Privacy. At the top, you will see the option to enable Face ID authentication. Turn it on. After enabling, allow the app to access your Face ID and complete the verification process. You can then choose your preferred authentication requirements, such as when the app should lock, immediately after 1 minute, 5 minutes, or any custom time interval. For this example, I'm setting it to lock immediately. This means whenever you close and reopen the app, it will prompt you for Face ID before granting access. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe for more security tips and tutorials.